Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of receipts, invoices, and financial jargon, wishing there was a magic wand to just simplify it all? And then you hear about QuickBooks Online Accountant, and you think, free? Seriously? Let's be honest, the word free in the business world often comes with a big, bold asterisk. Like free trial, then you pay, or free with limited features. So when you hear QuickBooks Online Accountant and free in the same sentence, it's natural to be skeptical. I get it. We've all been there. But here's the thing. Accounting isn't just about numbers. It's about clarity, control, and confidence. It's about knowing where your business stands, where it's going, and how to get there. Whether you're a seasoned accountant managing multiple clients, or a small business owner trying to keep your finances in check, the right tools can make all the difference. And that's where QuickBooks Online Accountant comes into play. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of whether it's truly free, let's take a step back and understand why this platform exists in the first place. Imagine you're an accountant. You have dozens of clients, each with their own unique financial situations, their own quirks, their own mountains of paperwork. Managing them all, keeping everything organized, and ensuring compliance is a Herculean task. Or picture yourself as a small business owner. You're juggling sales, marketing, customer service, and everything in between. The last thing you need is to spend hours wrestling with spreadsheets and trying to decipher complex financial reports. You need a system that's intuitive, efficient, and, ideally, doesn't break the bank. That's the gap QuickBooks Online Accountant aims to fill. It's designed to streamline accounting workflows, simplify client management, and provide a centralized hub for all your financial data. It's about making accounting less of a headache and more of a strategic advantage. So, back to the million-dollar question, is it actually free? The short answer is yes and no. It's a bit of a nuanced situation, and that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. Let's start with the yes part. For accountants, the core QuickBooks Online Accountant platform is indeed free. You can sign up, create your firm, and access a range of powerful tools without paying a dime. This includes features like client management, access to your client's QuickBooks Online files, and the ability to collaborate with your team. This free access is a game changer for accountants. It allows them to manage multiple clients from a single dashboard, streamline their workflows, and provide better service. Imagine being able to quickly access a client's financial data, make adjustments, and generate reports, all without having to jump between different systems. It's about efficiency, collaboration, and ultimately, providing more value to your clients. But here's where the no part comes in. While the accountant platform itself is free, your clients will need their own QuickBooks Online subscriptions. These subscriptions are what allow them to use the core accounting software, track their income and expenses, and generate financial reports. These subscriptions are not free, and they come in various tiers, each with its own set of features and pricing. Think of it this way. QuickBooks Online Accountant is the control center, the command bridge. It's where you, the accountant, manage everything. But your clients, the individual ships in your fleet, need their own engines, their own systems, their own subscriptions to function. Now, you might be wondering, why would Intuit offer the accountant platform for free? The answer is simple. It's a strategic move. By providing accountants with a powerful, free tool, Intuit creates a network of advocates. Accountants are the ones who recommend and implement QuickBooks Online for their clients. So, by empowering accountants, Intuit expands its user base and strengthens its ecosystem. And it's a win-win situation. Accountants get a free, powerful tool, and Intuit gains more customers. It's a classic example of creating value for both sides of the equation. Let's delve into some of the specific features that make QuickBooks Online Accountant so valuable. One of the key benefits is the ability to manage multiple clients from a single dashboard. You can see all your clients' files, their status, and any pending tasks, all in one place. This eliminates the need to jump between different logins and systems, saving you time and effort. Another powerful feature is the ability to collaborate with your team. You can assign tasks, share files, and communicate with your colleagues, all within the platform. This streamlines your workflow and ensures that everyone is on the same page. QuickBooks Online Accountant also provides access to a range of tools and resources, including training materials, support documentation, and industry insights. This helps you stay up to date on the latest accounting trends and best practices. Furthermore, the platform integrates seamlessly with other Intuit products, such as QuickBooks Self-Employed and QuickBooks Payroll. This allows you to provide a comprehensive suite of services to your clients, all from a single platform. Now, let's talk about the client subscriptions. QuickBooks Online offers several different plans, each with its own set of features and pricing. The most basic plan, Simple Start, is ideal for small businesses with simple accounting needs. It allows them to track their income and expenses, send invoices, and generate basic financial reports. The next tier, Essentials, adds features like bill management and multi-user access. This is a good option for growing businesses that need more advanced accounting capabilities. The Plus plan includes inventory tracking, project profitability, and budgeting tools. This is ideal for businesses that need more comprehensive financial management. And finally, the Advanced plan offers advanced features like custom reporting, workflow automation, and dedicated account management. This is the most powerful plan, and it's designed for businesses with complex accounting needs. The pricing for these subscriptions varies depending on the plan and any discounts or promotions that are available. It's important to note that these subscriptions are separate from the free QuickBooks Online Accountant platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.